Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your jaw and jawline, chin and its size on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select a picture that you want to edit. After that, click on the face button down below, which is the third option. Now click on the jaw icon, which is the second one in the middle, and the first option is your jaw. So if you zoom into your picture, you can adjust it on the slide more precisely, and you can see how it changes. Then the next one is the jawline. So you can also adjust the jawline as well as the size of your chin. You can also define it. Here on the slide you can see how it changes, so you can make it smaller, and you can also adjust its length. If you are done with all these steps, zoom out so that you can see how it looks like. And if you are satisfied with the result, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.